YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Quad. Y'all know to subscribe to my Patreon. A lot of people been asking me, yo, how you start your clothing line? Yo, how you get your credit score up? Yo, how'd you repair credit? Yo, how'd you get approved for the SRT? How'd you get approved for the Malibu? Yo, how'd you get approved for the Ford? Yo, how'd you get approved for the Camry? The score up in less than 30 days. So forth. I'm doing this. I am starting my Patreon where I'll be breaking down everything I'm doing in sections, step by step, holding your hand along the way. Any questions and things of that nature that you want to learn, please shoot me a DM on Instagram at WASSUP, and then subscribe to the Patreon where I'll be talking about it in more in-depth detail. It's your boy Quad, and we checking out. We're gonna do it from the pump today, man. I just feel like it's only right. Instead of going inside, where my wallet at? Where my wallet at? You hear me? All right. So we back at again on the video, man. So we at the pump. Go at the pump. Feel me? Tap the card. Say the client hit that. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna put 91 in. Cause listen, man, money don't grow on trees, like I said, you feel me? I was gonna do it with my debit card, but I figured I might as well get the reward points on my credit card. So we're gonna put 91, cause I mean I'm saying 93, but shit. I've been running 91 for like a couple days now. Don't judge me, judge your mama. Feel me? Gas didn't go down that much, you feel what I'm saying? So we're gonna put 91 in it, you feel me? It's still premium. It ain't bad, you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing different from Super. Ain't nothing different. So I'm gonna show y'all how much it costs to fill the SRT, man, the big boat. I'm gonna put the credit card back in the motherfucking wallet, as y'all can see, man. But yeah, man, like I said, don't judge me, judge your mama. Face ass. Feel me? So we at the gas station at a Wawa. We about to get a car washed tonight. You feel me? We're definitely gonna wash her tonight because she is extremely dirty, and I don't like how my bumper, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna get a new bumper eventually. They gotta come off them badges, but we at the Wawa. As you can see right now, it's only at $31. So hopefully it don't take long or take that much money. I mean, I am at E, so I'm thinking 65. I'm gonna let y'all see. Yeah, 41. I'm saying 65, y'all. What y'all think? What y'all think we get the food? $65? That's right there. Probably down there. That's for the I think the car wash. No, the car wash down there. I think the car wash. Go ahead. Yeah, try it bold. All right, so we at $55, man. I said 65 to full, so. Oh my God, bro. This shit is crazy.
Looking for a smarter way to fuel your business?
65
Keep
ain't
your
it?
business moving with Wawa
Shit, I
Fleet
should
Fuel
have put
Cards.
89.
See who spends
I
what,
can't go that
where,
low grade
and when with our simple tools available online and on mobile. Limit card usage by amount, time of day, and more.
God damn, man. Look, man. These big boats is expensive, man. You feel me? Very expensive. Hey, look. I'm an Instacart my money for that, man, bro. You feel me? But that's how much it costs for the big boat. And now we about to go and get it washed, because as y'all can see, it's extremely dirty. So y'all gotta stay tuned, man. This thing is expensive to fill up, man. This is 91. So imagine 93. Oh, hold up. Gotta get the receipt. Alright, we're done filling up. So we about to go and wash the big boat, the big Bert. Hey, man, if y'all think about buying one of these cars, man, please, look, I'm paying out my credit cards right now. You feel what I'm saying? But I got a credit card that's strictly for gas. Even though that motherfucker stay getting maxed out, it's strictly for gas. I promise you, it's strictly for gas. For both of my vehicles. But, hey, man, if y'all think about buying one of these cars are not cheap on gas. I'm trying to tell y'all, boys, you'll be at the pump like, man, what the fuck? I wish I had a Prius, man. Real talk, my Malibu don't take that much to fill up. My Malibu probably take $40 for a tank. This shit at $70 for a tank. Yay! Yay! But, man, we at the motherfucking car wash. I feel like 9 times out of 10, you feel me? I feel like AutoZone's gonna be closed. I mean, I usually say AutoZone closed at 7 o'clock, But all I really need from there is rags. I think I got wax in the trunk, and I need rags and tire shine. That's really about it. I don't like to go. I got cleaning, like for to clean the dash on it, but I don't really like to go crazy on it because in the day, when I'm detailing the car, like in the back of my mom's house, that's when I go crazy on detailing. You feel what I'm saying? I'm talking about rims, the brush, hitting the emblems. Like this, just what I need tonight is just a quick wash, man. Quick wash, nothing too crazy, man. But y'all see, $70 filled up the big boat, and I was on E. I was like damn near on E. Now we on full, man. Ain't nothing like a full tank, but shit, I gotta make that money back that weekend on Instagram, bro. No cap. Like, you feel me? That shit that ate my pockets, man. But let me know if y'all like the POVs so far, man. I like the little setup in the car. Definitely like a little vibe, for sure. For sure, definitely like a little vibe, man. I wish I had my tripod today. I'll be leaving my tripod home, and I left my GoPro home plugged in the computer because when I'm getting the crib at the watching, like I got off a little early, so I should get down to the crib like 8:30. You feel me? That's still normal timing. You know what I mean? Pray all my prayers because I ain't pray today because I left my rug in the crib, and then feel me, wash this car and go in the crib. You feel me? Like ain't nothing to it but to do it. You feel me? But yeah, man, it's a lot. It's definitely a lot. A lot of things gotta be done. But we about to wash the car, and I'm gonna catch y'all. Hopefully, others on not closed. You feel me? It must be a car meet. Gotta be a car meet. It is a car meet. But I'm about to wash the car, and I'm gonna what the fuck is a car meet going on? I'm about to grab the rags and wash the car. I'm gonna see. Hopefully they open because I definitely need. Oh, there's a car meet. I'm about to go to AutoZone and get the towels I need so I can wash the car because Big Bro is dirty. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get out of AutoZone, and yeah. Dude, what's going on, man? It's the boy Quad back at it again, another video, man. Another POV. I don't think they gonna let me get over, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I need gas though, man. I'm gonna have to finesse to get over. I'm sorry. We're gonna have to finesse to get over, bro. I need gas, you feel me? So today I'm bringing y'all another POV. As y'all can see, the boys on E. I don't know if I can see it. I'm on E. That's E to me. So we're gonna do a video how much it takes to fill up my SRT charger, man. I know y'all been waiting for this video for quite some time. And boy, I'm on E. So we're gonna see how this go. So we get over here. Yeah, they let us over. Right, that's cool. That's cool. As long as we get to the gas station first. Feel me? I don't care if AutoZone closes. I go to a self-car wash. It is what it is. But yeah, man, your boy is on E, as y'all can see. Yeah, I'm on E. So I gotta should give y'all some content. You feel me? Because I gotta edit up another video. But I feel like this video will come before, or probably after. I don't know. Probably after, most likely, because y'all gonna be like, where the fuck all this come from? So it's gonna come after. But today I'm just basically giving y'all a video on how much does it cost to fill out my SRT, and then a little POV at night, little night pools, things like that. You feel me? So, yeah, a little video how much it costs to fill out my SRT. It's on my side of the pump. Alright, so those who are about to complain and talk this car is supposed to take 93, but I ain't gonna lie, when I'm on a budget, this car gonna take 91, you feel me? The reason why I say that is because, you know what I'm saying, money don't grow on trees, you hear me? So, we're at the pump. We're at the pump, and I'm basically gonna show y'all how much it costs to fill out my SRT. I'll probably put $50 on here. Let's see. Matter of fact, we're gonna do it from the pump. And so we got the stuff that we needed for the big boat SRT. I didn't know that was a car meet. That must be big meet. It gotta be big Miz car meet or something. Like, there's so many cars out here today. And this is not normal. But we gotta go wash the car, man. I don't know what's going on over here, but definitely about to go wash the car. then do some pulls on 95. Feel me? Cause yeah, I don't know what's going on. I don't want to know what's going on. I'm not. I feel like car meets is cool, but I'd rather go with my cousin or something like that. You feel me? Like, I don't know. It's a little weird. Move part owners over here. Man, so we back at it with a big Bodiana. The biggest cleaning boat in the world. Yep. So we just washed her up. And I guess that I must have walked into a goddamn car meet. But the cops came, so everybody leaving out. But they had the Trekkie on her, the big Bodiana, they got the classic on us, and they got the bully on her. So, just got done washing the big boat. So that being said, I'm about to roll out. I thought it was B-Miz. I'm putting Instagram up, B doing YouTube. I thought it was B-Miz car meet, but it wasn't. So, that being said, there's no need to show any love because I don't know any random motherfuckers in the motherfucker. So, that being said, man, we about to leave, go to the crib, eat, and get a POV. So, I'm hit y'all when I'm on the expressway. The biggest boat in the world, you hear me? The biggest cleaning boat in the world. Yeah! And we just caught up at a car meet, you hear me? The 5-7 pull like that. But that motherfucker pull, yo. Yo, that exhaust though, my boy.
That shit crazy.
Hell yeah, dog. Hell yeah. Shit, how far are we, like?
we towards fucking Trenton, New Jersey.
Yo, we might have busted you ain't going back around. But we have to fucking pay a toll.
Yeah, we gonna start heading back to the city.
Hell yeah, nigga. I'm following you. I'm waiting on you to lead the motherfucking way. At this point, bro, I'm driving for excitement at this point.
Bet, follow me.
That motherfucker is all sound good as hell, boy.
Follow me, and then once we get off this exit, it's just a loop, and then we just going straight back down.
All right, bet. That joint sound good, bro.
That don't sound crazy, don't it?
Hell yeah. That shit really sound good. Like, yo, that's a healthy motherfucker, boy. Yeah, I'm behind you.
Come on, let's go. We out. And then straight back on 95.
I got this for the vlog, man. Yo, this boy cutting up. He cutting up in a motherfucker.